Alright, new project around the house, so I needed to get a multi-tool finally. So let's do a quick unboxing. This is the Kobalt 24 volt multi-tool, part number 0790023. Let's get it open. Alright, comes in this pouch here. We have instructions, and I'm assuming the blades in here. Okay, so the kit comes with, the kit comes with 9 sanding papers. There's 3 each of 60, 120, and 180 grit sandpapers. Here's the base for the sandpaper. 1 grout removal blade, a circular flush cutting blade, 3 of the plunge cut blades for wood and metal, and finally a rigid scraper blade. Here's the tool itself. You can open this up here. That basically, I guess, what unlocks it, so you can add a tool in, on, off, and then there is variable speed down here, and then of course the battery. And comes with this nice carrying case, plenty big for all the stuff in here. Has some pockets outside here, and on this side it's this blue with the Kobalt logo. I'm already getting it dusty. Okay, so to attach the blade to the tool is pretty simple. All you have to do is just open that up. It has a little click at the end, and then you line the tool up like that, or I guess probably like this. Hold it vertically, and then as you press down, that locks. And does this turn? No. Now, one thing you don't want to do, which you can do, but you don't want to, put the blade like this. That's a bad idea. You will destroy yourself. So do not do that. Always have it outward. You can have it at an angle. That's fine. Just not at your hand. Put in the battery. So at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so that is a quick unboxing and overview of the Kobalt Multi-tool, the 24 volt multi-tool. I'm sure I'll be using it in future projects, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.